Okay, so you have at the end of this trip, which are the three best performer?
To be honest, I'm quite impressed at all the premium wine that are offered by different wineries. For me, in particular, the very top pockets, Pecorino from I think it's the Las Cienti. I forgot the name. It's really I have a great impression of that because it's a very serious white wine that has good aging potential, and it's so how good a Paceno making white wine could be. For the other wines, I am particularly interested in the wine which is made in 100% Montepulciano because it's so how good a Montepulciano could be, and it's a very ageable wine in my opinion. And overall, the blend, which are the Piceno Suppiano, I'm really surprised at the quality that it can even fight with any like from the Tuscany or any other places which produce this blend. And I think it is the best I never expected from here. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.